How to fix screen flickering and flashing problem in Windows. So it's very simple. From your keyboard, what I want you to do is press Shift, Control, Windows, and B, and you should be able to see that very small or very tiny toot sound. It's kind of like a beep sound, and then you're also going to see that your screen is going to somehow blink for a while. And after doing that one, what it does is actually it refreshes your graphic card. So doing so will actually somehow fix your problem, but if not, then I'm going to show you another step. So in order for us to get this done, I want you to go ahead and open the Windows icon and just basically type here Advanced Display or View Advanced Display Info. Go ahead and click this one right here, and then you should be able to see here Display Adapter Properties for Display 1, since I'm only using one monitor. So just go ahead and click this one right here. And then from here, what we are going to do is head over to monitor and make sure that the screen refresh rate is at its best, or in my case, my PC is capable of 100 Hz, so I set it to 100 Hz. Now, once you're done with this one, just go ahead and hit apply and hit OK, and you should be good to go. But say, for example, it still doesn't work, then I'm going to try to give you the last option. So go ahead and open the device manager. And here in the device manager, we're going to go to display adapters. Now, I have my display adapter here, and what I'm going to do is right click it and then choose update driver. You can just go ahead and choose the first one, search automatically for drivers. So I'm going to go ahead and choose that one. Now, it says that the best driver is already installed, so I'm going to go ahead and close this one. But if in your case there is an update needed, go ahead and install that one. And congratulations everybody, doing all these steps should be able to have you fix your problem.